Welcome to tutorial number 5, creating mailing labels by rectangle. To pause this video, simply click anywhere on the video screen or click the pause button. Click again to resume. This tutorial will teach you how to find subject properties on the map using the Parcels by Rectangle sketch tool. The sketch tools, such as the rectangle sketch tool and polygon sketch tool, allows you to draw rectangular shapes or freeform shapes around one or multiple parcels on the map. The selected parcels that intersect property boundaries will be identified and can be exported to create mailing labels that are compatible with Avery 5160 labels. If you're not familiar with the Mailing Labels widget, it's recommended to watch tutorial number 1, which is an introduction to the Mailing Labels widget. To begin, we will sketch a rectangle to establish our subject properties. Next, we will create an offset by adding a distance outward from our rectangle. Finally, we'll export the buffer results to a PDF. Addresses that are exempt from public disclosure per Chapter 119, Florida statutes, are excluded from results. To start, we need to locate and center the map area where we want to sketch. Please note that the sketch tools are inactive above 600 feet. To enable the sketch tools, we'll need to zoom in until the message "Zoom into Enabled" goes away. Perfect. With our map zoom level set and the sketch tools enabled, click the Parcels by Rectangle sketch tool. Notice that your cursor changes to a crosshair. Feel free to zoom in further to obtain a clearer view of the area where you intend to start drawing. At this point, you can now create the rectangle shape by drawing its diagonals. Set the first corner of the rectangle by placing the cursor at one end of your region of interest. Click firmly on the map and begin to drag without releasing. Drag across the map until you have reached the opposite corner and you are satisfied with the rectangle's size. Click the map again to stop drawing. The Mailing Labels widget will now calculate the rectangle and highlight the subject properties that intersect the rectangle. After finishing the rectangle, we can proceed to add the distance offset to our subject property and then export the results to a PDF. Please take note that if you need to meet specific requirements, you may want to draw the rectangle along the parcel lines. This is necessary since the distance offset represents the precise placement of the rectangle when you draw it. As you drag the distance slider, the rectangle planar area is calculated and displayed at the bottom of the map. From here, you can choose to export the buffer results or modify the results. For instance, you may not want to include the subject properties in the export. Additionally, you may want to filter out tax parcel types, such as streets. Now, only the parcels that are not a subject property and not a street will be exported. Click Save as PDF. Wait for the successfully downloaded notification. Click Reset whenever you're finished with your sketch or want to start over.